how you communicate with your clients, it's probably holding you back. You might think that your agency's reputation is built by the number of reviews that you have, or your star rating. You might think that your reputation is created by the work that you do and the results that you get for your clients. Both of these things are true, but there's something else that has a big impact on the reputation of your agency. It's your ability to speak and communicate with clients and prospects. Let's face it, the services an agency provides is pretty straightforward to us, right? But to clients, it can seem like we're moving mountains. As a result, we often don't pause to think about how we communicate with our clients about the services that we offer. This can lead to using things like jargon and acronyms and big words that might not be understood by your clients. I mean, think about it. SEO, plugins, retargeting, pixels, 508 compliance. During the summer of 2020, when everything was shut down, my family decided to buck common convention and we hitched up the camper on this epic road trip. It was an amazing trip, except our truck broke down 3 times. Standing next to the mechanic with the truck lifted in the air, he pointed to something he called a rack and pinion and tried his best to explain to me why I needed a new one that cost $1,400. Now, without any understanding of what he was actually talking about and practically no other option, I forked over the cash. It didn't feel good. My experience with the mechanic was a huge aha. I mean, the better we are at explaining what we do, the better informed our clients are to make decisions. And because most of our competitors are using big words and jargon, taking the time to educate our clients in terms they can understand has a huge impact on our ability to close a deal. Your agency should be known as the people who educate. As a good friend of ours says, when we teach, we win. So stop selling and start teaching.